What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about XRP. I want to focus on how much you really need to change your life forever. Because honestly, you don't need as much as you think. Most people want to have as much as I have, or even more than I have. But it's hard to get that much, especially now because, the price is a little bit higher than where it was. You're not seeing these ridiculously low prices, even though it is relatively low compared to the high points of where it was. So it is a little bit more obtainable, but it's still not to the levels of 30 cents or lower than that. So getting to high levels of tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even get to a million XRP is not necessarily out the window, but difficult for most. Now, what's crazy is that you don't actually need as much as you think in order to change your life or be wealthy or, just change your overall situation, because top holders are not what you think they are. You may think, oh, the top 10% of holders have hundreds of thousands or millions of XRP. And that's not the case. The top 10 holders can have thousands. And we're going to explain exactly how, the being a top 10 holder or being within that threshold or having a certain amount can end up benefiting you largely in the end. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. If you do want to check out the link for today's video sponsor, FortisX, feel free to do so. You can keep your holdings working for you with FortisX with liquidity pools, managed staking, and earning up to 19.14% variable APY on things like XRP, Ethereum, USDT. With no lockups, you can withdraw anytime that you want to, and it's built for what you are, which is a long-term holder. It's been around since 2018. Public audits, SEC filings, so you know they are transparent and reliable. Now, I'll give you a glimpse of my portfolio. I have $23,000, 23,000 USDT sitting in here, at which I've gained already 74 XRP by having my 21,000 XRP that is staked. So gaining more every single day, which is great. So then I can use that accrued amount just to play off the short term and be able to make money short term without having to sacrifice the long term cryptocurrencies that I currently hold. So feel free to check it out. Their platform is great, very simple, very easy to use. You have your liquidity pools, you have your staking, but definitely give them a look. The link will be down there at the top of the description as well as the top of the comment section. But to get back into what we were talking about, which kind of does tie, XRP. XRP is sitting at $1.06. If we look at all history, it is up by 17,000%. It is at a $66 billion market cap with $1.6 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours, sitting at 62 billion coins in circulation, as well as almost 540,000 holders. There's a lot of holders. So when people see those number of holders, they're like, you have to hold a lot in order to be in the top 10%, top 5%, top 1%. And it's not true. You don't have to have a crazy amount. Yes, at this stage, you would have to spend a decent amount of money in order to be in the top 1%, but to be in the top 2, the top 5, the top 10%, you don't have to be there, right? But it all depends on, when you gain something or how you can change your life, it really all depends on what prices you're looking at. If you're looking at my prices, if you're looking at where I see the high points are, where I see the potential value of this at, the partnerships and all that stuff, you don't have to be a top 1% holder in order to change your life, because change your life is also depending on how that can impact, right? $10,000 can impact somebody's life. $100,000 can definitely impact somebody's life. Pay off student loans. It can pay off cars, pay off mortgages, right? Whatever you balance you have left, but it can give you more of that fresh start that we all had before we became an adult, right? We became an adult, we're looking to get a car so we can get around, get a house, and then pay it off over time. We're looking to do all these things and just get into, whether it's looked at as good debt or bad debt, we're getting into these situations where we have debt. And that's the issue. How can we save that? And we can save that with tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I wanted to look up and show you guys this again, just to kind of reiterate the fact that you don't need to have a lot to be a top holder. In order to be a top holder, a top 10% has 2,400 to 2,500 XRP. That's it. 2,400 to 2,500 XRP. A top 5 holder has 7,500 to 8,300 XRP. A top 2 holder has 22,000 to 25,000 XRP. And a top 1% holder has 45,000 to 46.5 thousand XRP. Top 0.1% would then be at the 280,000 mark to 350,000 mark. So you don't necessarily have to have a crazy amount to be a top holder. Now, if you are a top holder, how can that effectively change your life? Well, it depends on where you believe the price is going to get to. My point of where I believe it's going to get to, I see a $20, $30, $50, $100 mark in my ranges of what I want to accept, right? And then I have my forever amount that can go well above 100. It can go well above, 200, 1,000, whatever, right? That's my forever amount and what I want to be able to use XRP for. However, my investments and making money throughout time, $1, $2, $5, $10, $20, 25, all of that. I'm looking to make money along the way. But if you give it its full opportunity with 2,400, you don't necessarily need to have anything more in order to change your life effectively, right? You can have XRP at $100 per coin, and you now have $240,000. If we go to a spreadsheet here made by me, again, if you have 2,400 XRP and it gets to a $100 price point, that is $240,000. Can you do anything with $240,000? Probably. First of all, you spending and getting to 2,400 at this moment, you only spend $2,400. And that's to get you tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands, depending on how long or how much you believe in this and what you're willing to accept along the way, right? If you decide to sell some at $10, you make $24,000. Or I guess if you wanted to look at it cleanly, it would be about $22,000. A little bit less, 21.4. So you would still make, or 21.6, but you would still make a lot of money from this as you see it grow to a level of 10 or 20 or 40 or 50 or $100, because it can do so much for your life. It doesn't have to make you the wealthiest person in the world, because there's no amount of money that will make somebody not want to chase more money in the process, right? So there are people that are multi-billionaires making $100 billion and still chasing more money. So it happens. But anyways, I think what we need to focus on here is focusing on how it can impact your life, how it can improve your life. Whether you have 2,400 or you have 24,000, it can improve your life in so many ways as long as you are willing to accept those things as you move along. So just understand, to be a top holder, you don't have to hold a lot. You don't have to hold a lot to change your life either. So make sure you understand that as you're going into altcoin season, whenever that actually is, because XRP will be worth a lot more than you think, and you will be able to make a lot more than you think. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Thank you FortisX for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to give them a look, feel free to do so. If you already have XRP, it doesn't hurt to make a percentage on the XRP that you're holding and consistently add more to your overall supply or overall amount, because then you can make more in the end, right? But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.